down in the county Kerry, in a village near Tralee. There lived a grand old couple there, named Kate and Pat McGee. 'Twas the day of the golden wedding, 'twas the golden wedding day. Said Kate to Pat, come over here, and this to you I'll say. Put on your old knee breeches and your coat of emerald green. Take off that hat, me darling Pat, put on your old cobby. For today's our golden wedding, and I want you all to know just how we looked when we were wed 50 years ago. How well do I remember dancing on the village green. You held me in your arms, dear Pat, and called me your collie. Your hair was black as ravens, but now it's turned to grey. Come over here, oh sweetheart dear, and this to you I'll say. Put on your old knee breeches and your coat of emerald green. Take off that hat, me darling Pat, put on your old cobby. For today's our golden wedding, and I want you all to know just how we looked when we were wed 50 years ago. Well do I remember when you took me for your bride. In the little chapel yonder there, we sat side by side. Friends then we had plenty, and troubles we had few. Come over here, oh sweetheart dear, and this to you I'll say. Put on your old knee breeches and your coat of emerald green. Take off that hat, me darling Pat, put on your old cobby. For today's our golden wedding, and I want you all to know just how we looked when we were wed 50 years